What's up, everybody? Welcome back to part three. um, OBS software errors has been hitting me right now, and we have done this live stream on this topic for part one, part two, part three. OBS doesn't want me to tell you the things you should avoid as a trader, and I think that's why. That's why this break keeps happening every 10 minutes. But if we need to do this maybe 5 times just to make sure that we complete everything that we have to say about the things you should avoid as a trader when trading cryptocurrencies, then we have to do it that way just to make sure everybody gets updated on what is going on in the ecosystem and why you shouldn't mess with some of the things that I'll teach you today. So welcome back. Let me wait for everybody to share the link. Please share the link with different communities that we need to share it with so that we go on. So we have had breaks twice. This is part three. So welcome back. Welcome back. We had a very short commercial break due to error in OBS transmission. I'm very sorry for that, ladies and gentlemen. We are back again because I am going to share this goal with you. Definitely going to share this goal with you. Happy that you guys are joining. Let me check it out. Yeah. So whatever is happening that is restricting us, we are over it now, right? So just give it a little time. I've lost a bunch of my viewers. So I'm just having everybody join us now. So please remember that the what do you call it? The giveaway is only for active users. So if you are not active, I'm not going to give you one kobo. Now today that I'm very happy that the Nigerian government is now seeing the light and beauty of cryptocurrency. I need you to be very happy on my comment section and make sure you sign up with my affiliate link if you haven't done that, because if you don't, I'll not give you my giveaway. Honestly, see it here. I'm pinning it only for people that sign up with my affiliate link only, because of course I will know now. I will know. So when you sign up, when you receive the giveaway, trade. Try and trade, for Christ's sake. Some of you just withdraw your giveaway and go. No, I'm giving you some tips on how you should trade. Then try to trade. Try and make sure that you are trading. Don't you want to make profits? Have you not seen people who have made money from trading? Even if we give you $10, which is quite small, you can deposit, add more. You have another $10. You have a Web3 platform that you can earn small crypto, bring it onto the trading platform. Try to trade. Come on, man. You should trade. There's a lot of profit on trading. I make so much money from trading myself, and I would like you guys to just look at this as a good investment, as a good skill for every guy in Web3. So if you are there in Web3, if you are enjoying the market, if you are not enjoying the market, one of the key and essential skills you should have is cryptocurrency trading. For cryptocurrency traders, we don't have bull or bear season, especially for those of us that practice leverage trading. For spot traders, okay, during the bear we might just send our currencies back to stable currencies, but leverage or derivative traders, as the case may be, which use it, even if it's ETF, the derivative, whatever uses leverages, we trade both bull and bear, and we make profits, both ETF and futures. And I enjoy trading futures market. I enjoy trading ETF, and I'd like you guys to, of course, join me. Let's trade it as much as we can. Let's make cool money from this market. But don't forget one rule in cryptocurrency trading: the house always wins. Who is the house? The exchange. So forget it. uh, uh, the exchange also, after making some money, that's why you need strategies, of course, and I'm here to give you strategies where you are going to outsmart the exchange. These guys are good. These guys are good. I won't doubt that. An ability to trade against the house is gives you. I'm telling you the truth. That's why I'm just saying all this. I'm telling you the truth because I like telling you people the real truth. Ability to trade against the house makes you stronger. Yeah, make that profit. So I said the first thing about things you should avoid things every trader should avoid when trading the crypto market to avoid making losses. So the first thing, like I said in my part one, go back to my part one. Maybe I'll include it in the description. Go back to my part one and find what I said. But I'm going to list it out here again in part three, which says trade what you can afford to lose. Oh, let me say it in a Nigerian way. Trade what you can afford to lose. Oh, lose. Oh, like no carry money where you no fit lose. Come trade. Trade what you can afford to lose, and that doesn't really mean that you shouldn't trade with a good capital, because if what you can afford to lose is not a good capital, that's not you are not going to enjoy the trading. That's where stop loss come in. Stop loss comes in to help us when we want to trade with money that we can actually afford to lose, but we don't want to lose. We have mechanisms that can help us protect that, which is called the stop loss. And another mechanism aside stop loss that can help us protect our capital is good sizing. So the second thing there was avoid rumors and learn how to read accurate news. I've shown you guys on my former live stream. Just go to the live section of my YouTube channel. Everything I've been doing is a live stream sponsored by MEXC. So go back there and check out some of these things, some of my live stream that I've been teaching some valuable information. I taught people how to do fundamental analysis using coin market cap, a very good tool that has helped us during the live stream to see that CHLZ, Barcelona token, what other token? There were some token that we saw, and we traded it on ETF and also on futures for those of us who joined and had the capital to trade. And even if you don't have the capital, come on, man, come on, 10K is not too much. Time, try it. You are even going to make money, so why are you scared of depositing 10K to trade? If you have, I would recommend $100 for every new trader. Try it with your face. $100 might not be such a cheap money for young Nigerians, but we have Web3 platforms where you can earn $100 for just creating content, completing tasks. In fact, join Chain Industry to stay active, get money from there. Try to trade. Try to trade. Yeah, always try to trade. So that's where you start making money. So avoid rumors when you are going. Avoid rumors and learn to read news. Learn to read news. Like I've shown you guys before. Aside that, you can just click crypto news. Like as I click crypto news today, look at what I'm seeing. A lot of information about the Nigerian government and blah. At least we are not seeing SEC and stuff. What is crypto market capital and its significance? I don't know, so I'll read it later. Capitulation. That English is sweet. And I have to be honest with you, I don't know what that means. So, but there are some very interesting news, and I'm not happy when I see this Sang Bankman Fried. It's here. I mean, it's been a month since this guy made the market crash. Let's forget about him for Christ's sake. I'm still seeing Sang Bankman or Sang Friedman, Bankman or whatever he calls himself. I'm not happy with him. We're about to have a bull market. And Bitcoin was literally sitting around 22,000. And this guy just came to crash us all the way down to 15,000. What a mess, man. What a mess. We almost lost 10K for one Bitcoin just because of this dude, man. So, and some cryptocurrencies who doesn't even have liquidity had Adams, like it was too hard on them. And this is not good for the ecosystem. This is not good for traders. So times like this, when you read accurate news, you will be able to decipher or help or guide your decision. It will help you make the right decisions when you need to make them. To help you make the right decisions when you need to make them. And number 3, I've mentioned 2 things. Trade what you can afford to lose and use stop loss when you need it. Number 2 is avoid rumors and learn to read the news. Number 3 would be learn to do analysis, both the technical analysis and their fundamental analysis. Learn to do analysis. It's very important. Without analysis, you are doing bullshit. You are going to lose money. Yes, you lose that your small money. You also lose that your big money. And let me tell you one thing, whatever you do to your $100 will be the same thing you will do to your $1,000. There are no two ways about it. The same decisions you make, the same, although when the volume is big, it attracts more emotion than when the volume is small. But ability to manage, if you can train a psychology that is able to manage $100 perfectly, you will be able to handle $1,000 perfectly. I'm not just saying this in blah blah out to you. I'm telling you real fact that is applicable in the ecosystem that has helped me to cross overseas in crypto trading. So if you abide to some of these things which I'm telling you right now, you are going to thrive in the ecosystem. Trust me, you will. Part 3, I feel part 3 is going to be one of the longest sessions. So the fourth one, the fourth one, of course, sorry. Do not FOMO or food. This is one disease, the one disease that we find very hard to overcome. It feels like COVID in the ecosystem. Like, no, this is even stronger than COVID. If there's a disease that is even stronger than COVID, man, food and FOMO is one of the diseases in the crypto market that is stronger than COVID. I have had a lot of FOMO. I've had a lot of food, especially when I was a beginner. Like, watching the Bitcoin crash all the way down. Like, we have all committed this sin. I watched the way Bitcoin crashed all the way from 19,500 or 19,700 all the way down to 3.5. My heart was literally coming out of my chest, and I was like, oh my god, what is happening? And I was in great fear. I had to sell my 0.3 BTC when we are around 9,500. I watched it with my own eyes. Like, I couldn't bear it. I couldn't just watch my cryptocurrency go down, and I had to sell. So food is one disease that has affected almost every newbie, especially with those that came into cryptocurrency last year during the bull market. We're just buying Bitcoin 54,000, 64,000, 45. We just we. And then what happened? The market went down crashing. And some people will send me voice note, Empato, I feel like dying, I feel like hanging myself on the fan, I feel like spinning over, I feel like jumping over Third Mainland Bridge. Worst can even happen if you don't know how to manage your emotions and control it. Don't food. One thing you should have is have a valuable investor mindset. When I say having a valuable investor mindset, when you turn to look at these cryptocurrencies as an asset class, you wouldn't worry about a cryptocurrency you just bought 3 months ago having a lower value. Yeah, you look at it in 4 or 5 years prospect. Imagine you buy a land. Some people use money that they can use to buy lands in my locality, Nigeria, to buy cryptocurrency, and then you expect quick returns. Are you doing some Ponzi scheme? Calm down, bro. If you're actually buying an asset, then you should have an asset mind. You should have an investor mind. So, except you are trading. When you are trading, of course, you know what to do when the market is trading against you. Trading is just for short term, blah, blah, blah. So, when you have this investor mindset, helping your psychology to take the right decisions when you need to take them, you would observe that a cryptocurrency you bought 3 months ago is dipping. You shouldn't be worried because you know that maybe you bought it during the bear season and you didn't have the right entry point. But when you do your right analysis, I would keep telling you that we are seeing the bottom. Although technical analysis is still indicating on the chart that Bitcoin could hit around 10k. I don't care. I literally don't care. Like, if it goes down there, then so be it. Then that would still be a perfect bottom to still buy. But this is the bottom region. Let me just say the bottom region, because a region can be around 10k to 16k. So this is a good region for us to buy. Yes, I'll recommend. And with the news that is beginning to fluctuate into the ecosystem, now that the Nigerian government is approving the use of cryptocurrency during the bear market, that means the bull market is going to be fun for a lot of us. I'll be wearing BTC. I'll be walking around on the street with BTC on my chest. Come and beat me now. I'll be federal government picking. So you get what I mean. So it's going to be fun for us. When the bull market comes, for those of us who have persevered through this bear market without having to sell our asset crypto crazily, we'll be smiling when we see newbies come up in 2023, 2024, and they'll be like, which coin to buy? That was the time we had, let me check one of my live streamers here. One of those is connected. I'll see Amandikwa Chukwu BTC. You will now be having people with bearing that kind of name. Amandikwa Ogochukwu BTC. Kingsley BTC. We'll be having people adding BTCs to their name because they now feel like, yeah, I can do this, man. You'll be rolling on the wheels of steel. So These kind of things are what actually really happen in the market, and you shouldn't be scared. Don't be scared. Yes, I will keep telling you that. So what has happened, and the news about Sam Bankman Fried is slowly dying. It's just that some angry investors really want him to pay for his sins, and they're still holding his neck. Uh, Sam Bankman, that man actually made me lose thousands of dollars. I don't want to talk about it, man. So we have to move ahead because we have so much money to make. If you don't lose money, then how would you make money? Um, that the fourth thing there was do not FOMO of food. The fifth thing is learn from your mistakes and build solutions from there. This is one of the most key advice I would give to any cryptocurrency trader. Try and learn from your mistakes and build solutions from there. You know, when you make losses in crypto, what make you make losses? Did you give your money to somebody to trade for you? Did you trade a spot option? Did you trade options? What were you trading? Were you trading the most risky market? Actually, almost everything we do in business is a risk. The risk rate differs, but in trading, the risk is high. What were you doing that made you lose your money? So analyze that. Were you trading this? Were you trading that? Did you give somebody your money to trade because you couldn't manage the emotions, and the person wasn't able to manage it for you too, lost money, and now you feel, oh, the whole system is scam, I shouldn't be messing with this. Were you trading with poor analysis? Were you trading with money you cannot afford to lose? Were you trading rumors? You didn't even wait to read the correct news. Were you trading rumors? Were you trading, like, come on, analyze, develop your strategy. Were you doing the wrong support and resistance analysis? Whatever you were doing wrong, learn how to do it right. So once you learn from your mistakes and build solutions from there, you're going to correct most of these errors. Let's say over trading is also your error. You should learn from there. So the sixth thing you should avoid as a trader is over trading. When you make money in trading and when you lose money in trading, let me tell you one thing that's unlocked. Emotions will be unlocked. Positive or negative emotion, depending on which side of the market you are. When you are making money, you are going to unlock positive emotion. Excitement is one of the emotions that are unlocked. Or your inability to control your excitement could cloud your eyes, and you may not be able to foresee that the next trade you want to enter is not good enough for you, and you could end up losing money. That's what excitement can lead you to. Over excitement. Of course, you'll be happy for your wins. And when you are too sad for your losses, it could push you out to anger, make you do aggressive trading because you all want to be trading against the whole market with all your might to recover your losses, and that could lead you to more losses. I'm telling you guys all these things from experience. And also, over trading too much, trading every day is not very healthy. It's not very healthy because you'll be so saturated. Although you become very good, versatile, you become very knowledgeable, but it's not very healthy psychologically. You should take a break, man. Chop that money small. Buy chicken, buy Pepsi, buy Fanta. Sit down one side. Buy Coca-Cola. Anyone that interests you, but make sure you buy chicken and join with any drink that you're going for. And then sit down one side and just enjoy, Then once you enjoy, you know that you have actually made profit, you come back with a refreshed mind. If you made so much money, you can even go for a vacation. Play some games that make you feel happy. Forget about your losses. So, and also another thing that also unlocks when you're making money in crypto is greed. Greed is one element that you should avoid. It could eat you up. So with greed, you might be seeing $200 profits, and you are looking at the market, investor vibes. You're looking at the market that this is going to give you even $2,000 profit, and you feel you shouldn't leave the market right now. You don't see what is coming. You don't see that the storm is forming up and rain is about to fall. You keep on hanging on a simple boat, or let me say on a canoe, trying to cross a storm with a canoe. Are you alright? Are you the Vikings? Even the Vikings don't cross the storm with a canoe. So you see that you didn't even see it coming because you feel your greed wants to make you catch that big fish in the ocean, ignoring the storm that could possibly come and overtake you with your canoe, and that can lead you to losses. That's where greed can take you to. So learn how to control the elements of emotions, which is like the number 16, which I'll tell you today, or the number 7. It was 7 commandments. The sixth one was don't overtrade. The next one was, the 7th one was learn to control the element of emotions, or the emotional element. So let me list it out once again. Trade what you can avoid to lose. Trade what you can afford to lose and use stop loss when you need it. Avoid rumors and learn to read good news. Learn how to do analysis, both technical and fundamental analysis. Do not FOMO or food. FOMO means fear of missing out. Food means fear of uncertainty and doubt. FUD, FOMO is FOMO. So sorry, I was using short slangs. So learn from your mistakes and build solutions from there, which is number 5. Learn from your mistakes and build solutions from there. Number 6 is do not overtrade. Number 7, who can tell me what number 7 is? Number 7, 7 commandments of what a trader should do. Number 7 was learn to control the elements of emotions. Seven commandments. So number 7 was learn to control the elements of emotions. I mean, you guys can replay this video and listen to what I said. Replay this video and actually list it. If you can truly list all the commandments which I said, I'll have something for you. Yes, if you can list the whole commandments, I will have something for you. You'll be among the lucky winners. If you can list from 1 to 7, list from 1 to 7 on the chat section, I'll have something for you. So, well, I've listed out the commandments. Now let's look at MEXC Global. Let's look at what is happening in the crypto market and what can we trade, which cryptocurrency can we trade. I don't like saying this name, Sam Bankman Fried. It's such a sad news right now, so I shouldn't be saying such name. Okay, but Ibrahim, okay, it's actually Babangida. Wait, I need to understand which of the Ibrahim is this. But Ibrahim, who served as Nigeria's president between 1985 to 1993, that's Babangida, who insists that could that man be that intelligent? Babangida was one of the people that thief Nigerian money now. Should I say it out? So, but Ibrahim, who served as Nigerian president between 1985 and 1993, insists that passing the law isn't a 180-degree turn on the ban, but rather a secondary review of what is within the scope of CBN's power. It's not about the lifting of the ban. We are looking at the legality, what is legal and what is within the framework of the operations in Nigeria. When cryptocurrency was initially banned in Nigeria, the CBN discovered that most of these investors don't even use local accounts. So they are not within the jurisdiction of the CBN. Whoa. Because they are not using local accounts, and there is no way CBN can check them. If the law passes amendments will be made to Nigerian Investment and Security Act of 2007. You know, there's always a saying that says, if you can't beat them, join them. That's a clear example of if you can't beat them, join them. Cool. So I like that news. I enjoyed it. Well, I need to check. I wish there is a Nigerian fan token. Nigerian fan token. There is Argentina fan token that was dumping when Argentina won the World Cup. We should create a Nigerian fan token. This kind of news now, Nigerian fan token should be pumping. When the news is finally approved, it should be pumping more. Okay, a look at some of the trending news or trending events, significant events happening on the 31st of December. Wow, with a lot of votes. You shouldn't be missing out of such events. Let me open it on a fresh tab. AXS, that should be AXS. And this guy. So let's see what is actually Axie Infinity doing. Luciana XDK Alpha, Axie Infinity. Where was this news item? After some events, this chart shows us what happens in events. Ethereum Vietnam, Ethereum Vietnam. So it's still a good time for us to buy. We're always looking for a good time to buy, so let's see. It's not pretty bad, at least. It's just that the bear market is not really allowing things go the way it should. The bear market is not allowing things go the way it should. So, let's have a look at this other one. Proof ZK bridge. Which coin is that? Mina protocol. So let's check out these guys on MEXC, Mina and AXS. Amina. I almost typed Amina. Mina protocol. Okay, Mina is listed on MEXC ETF market. It's also listed on MEXC spot market. So just MEXC spot and ETF market. So it's good for people to join. Oh, Mina. The chart is here. The K line for Mina. Let me switch that to 1-day chart. This is what I've been trading with the 1-day chart. So let's look at the protocol that we can buy. Wow, that is such a beautiful bottom. Wow. This is a temptation. No, this looks like a big temptation for me right now. Let me reduce this time frame because that is very inviting. Yeah, it's still inviting in the 4 hour. Yes, it has broken through a certain support region around this level. Broken through the support region around this level. Oh, this looks really inviting. This is a temptation for me to buy Mina. And the last 1 hour, I think there's a little bit of movement. Although the trend line has been going blah blah. And doesn't looking good on the trend line. Last 1 hour is looking good. So let me increase this time frame to a 1 week chart to really check if this crypto price has bottomed. We pray for the bull market again. The crypto price will be going crazy. Yeah, I can deeply agree that this is the bottom for Mina protocol, and that seems like the all-time low since it got listed on MEXC, but maybe not the all-time low on the official coin market cap. So it's not a bad deal. So if I was a trader who is interested in trading this, I would look at buying it in the ETF market, MEXC 3S, and that event is coming up on the 31st of December. That's about 18 days from now. So let's see what happens 13 days from now. So if I'm a trader, I would observe when the market becomes a little bit bullish once again. I'll try to buy around this region on Friday during the weekend, and if the weekend doesn't look good, I should be buying next Monday, which is the 28th. But I'll keep an eye on this token to see the performance so that it doesn't dip more, except I have the money to buy it right now and I forget about it, so that during and or after this event of building the ZKB, which is a new release and integration on their chain, then something good should be happening. So that's just it on the hot news. Let's sort by last added events. I'm searching all categories. Okay, there's a coin coming up on MEXC Global. Some cool news here. Some of them are not listing on some very good exchange. This one is listing. Badger is listing on MEXC. Mute is listing. MEXC is listing a lot of coins, by the way, so that we don't get limited. We get our favorite coins come out here. So I've seen a bunch that I can buy. But I have to take a break, do my private analysis. So I have my eyes on Mina. I have my eyes on CHA. I think a lot of cryptocurrencies are putting crypto events at the end of the month. I don't know why that is a reason right now. They're putting a lot of crypto events towards the end of the month. Okay, I gave you guys a little assignment. Please don't copy anybody. Don't copy anybody, please. If you copy, you fail. All right, I see Annie on the deck. Zipporah on the deck. Amandikwa Ogochukwu BTC on the deck too. So I've got 3 winners. Already. Amanda Ogochukwu BTC. Amandikwa. It's not even Amanda. All praise belongs to you. Amandikwa Ogochukwu BTC. I added the BTC for you, so that when you blow, you add BTC to your name. Amandikwa BTC. So I think I've gotten 3 winners already, which is Annie, Amandikwa Ogochukwu BTC, and of course Zipporah Jolly. There are a lot of crypto events coming up, so get ready. The market is going to be fun for all of us, and I see that coming. So let's just make sure we are prepared for what is coming. And if you are just joining the live stream and you haven't signed up on MEXC, please, you're busy chatting in this live stream, you see my affiliate link there. Don't ignore it. Click on sign up like right now. Sign up like right now before you even come back, please. And when you sign up and you happen to be among the winners that will be selected, make sure you trade to what you are given. Don't just withdraw your money and pass away. It's not actually going to help you. Trade. Try and trade. Learn cryptocurrency trading and trade. Join MEXC ETF communities, and also join MEXC Nigeria. MEXC Nigeria is over here. I'm gonna share the link for everybody. So please, if you are currently active on the live stream, join the MEXC Nigerian community, because I know I have a lot of Nigerians watching me right now. Join the MEXC Nigerian community, and if you are joining the live stream, just click on the settings. When you click on the settings, you increase the quality to something very great for your system, better quality. Yeah, have a better quality of the stream so that you don't struggle while trying to watch my live stream. It's for everybody. So what do you think about the news in Nigeria right now about Bitcoin and federal government? What do you think? Is it going to go well? Are we going to make money or lose money? Are we going to be favored? Are we going to be walking around with our BTC names and t-shirts saying Empato BTC, Annie BTC, Amandikwa BTC. Oh, some of you have started joining the community. Please make sure you join, verify. Are we going to have that? Are we going to have such things happening in Nigeria? This is other one is from Coindex. Let's see what Coindex has to say on their own news. In Nigeria, a new bill in the works could let local regulators recognize cryptocurrency as capital for investment, according to a Sunday report by local news punch outlets. If passed, the proposed Investment and Security Act of 2007 Amendment Bill will also define supervisory roles for the Central Bank of Nigeria and Country Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) with respect to digital currencies. Babangida Ibrahim. So Babangida is sensible. So thank you for coming out to save us after you guys helped to wreck us during the military rule. Chairman of the House of Representatives of Committee on Capital Market and Institutions told Punch, Ibrahim did not specify a timeline for passing of the bill. It better be soon. Nigeria banned institutions from facilitating cryptocurrency transactions back in 2017. And we had a bull market in 2021 where we were just enjoying and swimming. They saw that they couldn't help. And the SEC clarified in May that it saw digital cryptocurrencies as securities. It represent assets such as debt or equity claims on the issuer. It is not that they are illegal. We don't have regulations for them. I like his speech. So these are some of the reasons why we need to review the act and put some regulations for most of the activities. Yeah, I like when government actually really have sense like this. Commodity exchanges, digital currencies, and so many other things. Ibrahim, that's a good one. That's a good one, Ibrahim. I like that. And remember, when you are doing your technical analysis, always remember the kings of the market, Bitcoin and Ethereum. So whatever we did on Mina could actually prove abortive if Bitcoin is going sideways. If Bitcoin is saying no, I can't do it, then we have to be with Bitcoin, because Bitcoin can't do it. So everything looks good in the market. I'm not scared. I am just trading, and of course losing money at the moment. I think I was on a trade. I closed the trade on loss. So today wasn't really a good day, boys. I have to try again tomorrow. So that was really due to the fact that I wasn't stable, taking note of my trade. You don't win every day. Today I lost some money. I'll try again tomorrow, and I'm gonna make money. Come on. So I think I've said all the commandments that I have for you guys, and I'd love to see you guys during my next live stream. Yeah, please don't miss my next live stream. I'll be having another live stream during the weekend, and I would love to have all of you here. I'll be doing Christmas giveaway for everybody. For those of you who won today, I'll also have a little bit of Christmas giveaway, but during my next live stream, aside the $100 giveaway, I'll have my own personal. The $100 giveaway which I do on my live stream is always sponsored by MEXC. That's why you need to sign up on that exchange and trade. Trust me. But during the weekend, I'll be giving my own Christmas giveaway. I think the next live stream should be on the 24th, or should we have it on Christmas Day? Anyone that interests you can indicate on the comment section. So either 24th or Christmas Day. So I'll do a little bit of Christmas giveaway, and some of the active users that would actually give me some funny analysis on some coins that I predict are going to win. So get ready. It's gonna be fun. Actually, it's gonna be fun. Get ready. So I'm happy to have you guys today. I'll see you guys during my next live stream coming up soon. So please don't miss out. Do not miss out. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun. Uh, if you also participate in the live stream, make sure you join Industry 2 to End community, and also send me a message on Telegram so that I remember people who were actually active here. I'm taking note already, but if you send me a message, it will help so that I can take note of you. My Telegram username is I'm just gonna have it here. Don't spam me, please. Alright, that's my Telegram username if you want to have a chat. I might not be able to reply to everybody, but I'll check out, especially based on those who have been active here. ASEAN is really serious. ASEAN, thank you for taking out, noting out some of these important notes. Thank you very much. Thank you, Oscar. Thank you, Amandikwa. She's nowhere to be found at the end of the live stream. Thank you, Annie, Amandikwa, and the others, Kingsley, all of you that came out and were really active. And please share the affiliate link. Share the affiliate link with okay, people want to have the live stream on the 24th. You don't want it on the 25th. Okay, we have it on the 24th, on or before the 24th. We'll have the next live stream. Don't worry about that. 9 p.m. Why you like night waka? 9 p.m. No problem. We're going to do it by 9 p.m. and we're going to have fun, of course. So get ready, guys. I'll see you during the next live stream. For now, it's 10:25 p.m. my time. So let's get ready to get to sleep. Alright, bye bye. I love you all. Good night. No, I don't love you all. Only those that will trade. I love those that will trade on MEXC. Good night.